Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. This free AI tool has changed the VFX forever, and these videos are just a simple demonstration of its abilities, and there are a lot of creative things that you can do using this AI. And this is not an AI video generator, this is way beyond that. So what's this AI tool is, what's it's capable of? Let's find out. So this AI tool is called the VIGGLE AI, and this is their website. Well, you can find the link in the description below. And this is just a simple demonstration of the abilities of this AI tool, the features of this AI tool that we're gonna see in a detail. So to access this AI tool, you have to click on this join the beta, and you will be redirected to their Discord server. So once we are on the Discord server, on the left side, you can see we have some servers. So you can select any one of them. So let's say I'm going to go with the Animate 4. And these are some demonstration videos that people are generating right now. Well, this AI tool offers you a lot of features, but in this particular video, we're only going to focus on their main feature, that is mix feature, because this is something really impressive. So first of all, type /mix, and then we have this window here. So we have two different options, image and video. First of all, we need to select the image that we want this AI to animate. And in the next box, we have to upload the video that we want this image to move like or act like. So for example, I have this video of a dancing person. So I'm going to upload this video, and this image will follow the same moves that has been performed in this video. So I hope you get the idea. Now next we have the background option. So here we have two different options, white and a green screen. So I would like to go with a green screen because we can do a lot of creative things with a green screen. And next we have the fine tune option. So make sure to turn this on to get the best results and hit generate. Okay, so here's the output. And now you can see this girl, this cartoon character is actually dancing like our video character. And obviously you can remove the green screen and place this character wherever you want. But this is a very simple thing. And how we can achieve the results that you saw in the beginning of this video, like turning anybody into an alien or a monster or whatever thing you want. So for that, you have to follow a few steps. So first of all, you have to select your source video. So in my case, this is gonna be my source video. And in the next step, we have to remove this subject from this video. And for that, we're going to use Runway ML. But don't worry about that. It's not going to cost you anything. We can try a few things for free. So on the left side, you can see we have the static videos option. So simply click on that. And now we have all of the video tools that Runway ML is offering. So we have to select the in-painting option. Now just upload your source video. In my case, I already uploaded my video, so I'm gonna simply drag and drop here. So after some kind of processing, it's ready to use. So on the right side, you can see we have two options, include and execute. Really didn't even, in case you decrease the brush size. So select the include option and adjust the brush size accordingly. And now simply paint your main subject. So once you are done, this will start doing the in-painting. Okay, so out of your seconds, our main subject has been removed from this video. So if I play this video, you can see our character has been removed from this video. So once you're done, click on the export button, and to find your file, click on the go to export. And here you can see all of your exported files. Now just download your file. And we are done. Now, in the next step, we had to create a similar character. And for that, just open your source video and take a screenshot of a still frame where you think that the character is fully visible. So once done, go to the Lens Bow AI. Well, this is also a free AI tool. And from here, select the Feed Image option. So now in the prompt box, just upload your screenshot that we have taken from the video. So this image will be used as a reference image. Now in the prompt section, you can carry whatever you want to create. So in my case, this would be a blue bald alien woman, and hit create. So these are the output images. You can select any one of them. So I would like to go with this one and hit download button. Now the next step is to capture the motion. And for that, we're going to get back to the VIGGLE AI and type /mix. And now in the image section, we have to upload our alien image that we have just created. And in the video section, you have to upload your main original source video. Once done, in the background section, select green screen and make sure to turn on the fine tuning and hit enter. Okay, so here is the output. And now you can see it captured the exact same motion from our original video. And this is very crazy because just look at the movement and motion, how accurate it actually is. Now we are almost done. So simply download your video, and the next step is just to combine these videos together. And for that, you can use any of your favorite video editor. In my case, I'm using CapCut because not only it's free, but it's also available on all devices like Android, iOS, and desktop. So it makes it very easy and convenient. Now, just import your in-painted file and your VIGGLE AI file. So I have already imported both of them. Now just import your in-painted file in the timeline first, and then your VIGGLE AI video file. And just drag your green screen video on the top of our in-painted video. And now just select your green screen video and click on the cutout and select the chroma key, and then select this color picker tool and select the green color from the video. And now just move this strength slider and adjust this accordingly where you feel it looks perfect. So I think it looks good here. And now if I play this video, you can see our character has been replaced with this alien character. I know there are a few issues with this one, but this is just to give you the idea how this thing works. So right now, the VIGGLE AI tool is totally free to use. This is in beta, and I don't know how long this will be free because this kind of technology can't be free. So I truly recommend that you take a look at this. I'll reference all the links in the description below so that you can access it right away. Make sure you follow us on Twitter. And lastly, make sure you guys subscribe. Turn on notification, bell like this video, and check out our previous videos so you can stay up to date with the latest AI news. But with that thought, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Have an amazing day, spread positivity, and I'll see you guys fairly shortly.